Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 42, pressure, force and pressure. In this worksheet we will discuss what do you mean by force and what is force and what are the effects of force. What do we do to make an object move? How can we stop a moving object? Children, what do we do to make an object move? By applying force, we can make an object move. Also, we stop a moving object. Actions like picking, opening, shutting, kicking, hitting, lifting, pushing or pulling are often used to describe certain tasks. Each of these actions usually results some kind of change in the motion of an object. In our daily life, we make things move by pushing them, or we stop moving objects or change direction or shape of objects by applying force. All these work can be done by applying force. So what do you mean by force? Force is defined as push or pull on an object. Force क्या है बच्चों? A push or pull on an object is called a force. Thus, we can say that the motion imparted to objects was due to the action of a force. Now, we will discuss what are the effects of force or what can force do. Force can change the direction of a moving object. When a cricket player hit the moving ball, the direction of the ball is changed. So, force can change the direction of moving body. Force can change the shape of an object. If we push the clay or if we push the balloon, inflated balloon, the shape of the balloon or clay will be changed. So by applying force, shape of an object can be changed. Increase or decrease the speed of moving object. By applying force, we can increase or decrease the speed of a moving object, and also we can stop the moving object by applying force. Make a body move that is at rest. So by applying force, we can move a body or we can provide the motion to the body which is at rest. So these are the effects of force, or force can do these tasks. Now check yourself. Your first question is, what is force? So what is force? Force is defined as the push or pull on an object. Second question is, what can force do, or what are its effects when applied on an object? So what can force do? Change the direction of the moving body. Second, it can change the shape of an object. Also, it can increase or decrease the speed of moving object, and also it can stop the moving body. And fourth is, force can make a body move that is at rest. So these are the effects of force. Next question is, classify the following actions as push or pull. Put tick mark in the appropriate box. You have to classify these tasks in the pulling or pushing. Kicking a ball. Kicking a ball is push. So you have to put right in the column of push. Moving a loaded cart. This action is pull. So you have to write in pulling. Iron pins are attracted to magnet. So why they attracted to magnet? Due to the force of attraction. They pull towards the magnet. Closing a door, it's an push. Drawing a water from well, it's a pulling. Throwing a stone, it's a push. Question number 4. Give some examples from daily life where force changes shape of an object. You have to give the examples of your daily life where by applying the force we can change the shape of an object. When we apply force on dough, it can change the shape. Second, by applying force on clay or modeling clay, or you can apply the force on balloon. Balloon can change the shape, and also on rubber ball. If you push or applying force on rubber ball, it can change the shape. Thanks for watching.